Good day and welcome to this Revit session. Today we'll explore essential tools for bringing external data into your projects, whether you're working alone or as part of a team. We'll look at the powerful function in Revit for linking and inserting and managing links in Revit 2026. My name is Sean Bauer. I am an applications engineer with Micrographics. So let's get into it. Okay, so as an introduction and overview, I'll show you how to link both CAD drawings and Revit models into your project, and then we'll explore how to manage those links using tools like reload, reload from, show the link in the model, unload and remove functionalities. Revit links are an essential part for collaboration. They help us keep our projects light, coordinated with consultants, and make updates quickly. So why use links? Instead of importing everything into your project, links can keep the file size smaller. They are great for collaboration. For example, if you receive a structural model or a CAD site plan, you can reference it without merging it permanently. And when those external files update, you can simply reload it instead of redoing the work to realign and position the files. In the Insert tab, you'll have Manage Links on the left-hand side. That's where you can then manage all the links, how you control them, inserting them, reloading them, and removing them. And then you have the Link panel, all the different file formats that can be linked, and then you get the import options there on the right-hand side on your screen currently. So as an example, a case study, Michelle is an architectural lead on a hospital project. Her structural team works in a separate Revit model to focus on framing, beams, and foundations. To coordinate room layouts with the column grid, Michelle links the structural model into her architectural model using origin to origin, the auto placement. This way, she can adjust the wall location and doors while staying aligned with the structural design in real time. On the right-hand side, you will see the Manage Links dialog box. There you can see how one can go about adding different file formats and how you can manage all the different link file format types. So let me do a quick demonstration. Right, we'll go to the Insert tab, Manage Links. That's where you will find where you can manage them, or the alternative space for it is Manage Links via the Manage tab. Okay, all the different file formats like I showed previously, but you can be linked. They can either be linked there from the icon tools, or you can add them here directly through the Manage Links dialog box. This is where you would reload it and reload it from, even without graphics overrides, if you have graphics overrides. Here you can also then show that link in the model by selecting show, and it will highlight in your model. Like that. If you would want to remove it, you can simply select remove. It will be unlinked. Okay, so let's load a DWG file. You can invert the colors, you can make it black and white, or you can preserve the original if you needs be. The positioning, I prefer the origin to internal origin. Select on which floor you would like it, or it can be in only the view, current view. Currently I selected the 00 ground floor type, and will be available in all views, but we placed on the ground floor level. And like that, I have linked the file. You can change the path type to absolute or relative to show the exact path, which if you triple click, you can save and copy that file path to share with others, or for others to see where it is from who are collaborating with you on the same model. So the alternative method then is selecting one of the tools in the link dialog box, Select the file which you would like to link. Determine your positioning. And like that, our file is linked. Okay, so I can also go select it and check whether or not it has been linked. There it is visible in the model. It's viewed. So the other way you can also manage your links, such as reload, unload, reload from, open and unload the file, is by right-clicking in your project browser on the link, or you can do it through the Manage Link dialog box. You have additional options such as overlaying it or just having it as an attachment. And these are the alternatives. So multiple different file formats can be loaded, reloaded, and so doing you can collaborate with others. As an example, I'll also load a JPEG just to show you. The nice thing about the new managed links in 2026, it has a little thumbnail image at the right hand side showing you what has been loaded. Show you how the open and unload works. Well, you can relink it. The idea is to also be able to make changes to that loaded linked file, and you will notice that it has now been opened and unloaded. To reload it, right click and reload to the top, reload it from a specific place. If it has not moved, you can just say reload. This should show you where you would go for the reload from. Search for your file path where you saved it and reload. So three key things to remember. Where possible, use links instead of importing. It keeps your model light and efficient. Importing it makes it a part of the project. Linking it, it makes it as an external reference. Keeping your file smaller. Revit model. Use the Manage Links tools to stay in control when files update or move. Unload when you need better performance. Remove when you no longer need the link. So that is it for today on Revit Links for this session. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. Hope you found this vlog informative. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future vlogs. Thank you again, and goodbye.